If you want to remove or add the reading list in Google Chrome, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you want to clean up your toolbar or bring back a feature you use often, Chrome makes it very easy to customize. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click on New tab so you're starting from a clean page and can access the customization options easily. Now look to the right side of the browser and click the Customize Chrome button. This is the button with the pencil icon and it lets you change the way your Chrome window looks and functions. After you click it, a customization panel will appear on the side. From there, click on Toolbar. This section controls which buttons and features appear in your Chrome toolbar. Now, if you want to add the reading list back, simply toggle reading list on. As soon as you switch it on, Chrome will add the reading list feature to your browser. If you want to remove it instead, just toggle reading list off. That will hide the reading list from your toolbar and keep your browser looking cleaner and more minimal. This is a really useful setting if you like to keep your browser organized or if you never use the reading list feature. Once you've made the change, you can close the customization panel and continue browsing as usual. That's all it takes. In just a few seconds, you can add or remove the reading list in Google Chrome whenever you want. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.